Nandito na ate, dumating na. Tuhod mo, bebe. Yan na po. Wow! Ang ganda. Thank you, Ate Dors, Kuya Carl. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much.
Thank you very, very much.
Very, very much. Very, very
Iniwan niyang pagluluto niya, sunog na.
much.